Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Declaration of election dates after 2 days. Sonia Gandhi meets Oscar Fernandes. CM Subhash reviews political scenario in Goa. Government officers asked to expedite crucial works, release important orders. Youth who applied for government jobs worried over code of conduct. A lady commits suicide with her 2 kids, sets herself ablaze along with her 2 children. Reason behind suicide still not known. Aditya Arya says President of India had asked him to clean Goan beaches and restore dignity of Indians in Russian-occupied shacks. Regrets that he could not complete the task. And World Series boxing high on hostility, entertainment and a lucrative affair, says Mumbai Fighters manager Lenny De Gama. Now the news in detail. Central Election Commission might declare election dates for Goa after 2 days. CM Digambar Kamath and other Congress top-notch were summoned to Delhi in view of the announcement. AICC Chief Sonia Gandhi held a meeting with them and reviewed the political scenario in Goa.
CM Digambar Kamath was summoned to Delhi on Thursday. Sources have claimed that Sonia Gandhi discussed political scenario in Goa. According to sources, AICC Chief Sonia Gandhi held a meeting with Candidate Screening Committee head Oscar Fernandes, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and GPCC President Subhash for a briefing on the status of state politics. Authorities have hinted that assembly election might be somewhere between 25th February to 7th March. Central Election Commission was supposed to declare the date of election on Friday, but now it is postponed for the next 2 days. Goa, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand and Manipur will go for assembly election together. Code of conduct will come in force as soon as the election dates are declared. There will be restrictions on government functionings. Many MLAs and ministers want this code of conduct as late as possible and they are pressurizing the CM for this delay. Election Commission was supposed to meet officers of Union Home Department, but the meeting could not take place on Friday. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Election Commission of India's decision to postpone the announcement of election date has given relief to thousands of youth who have applied for government jobs. Fate of thousands of youth depends upon announcement of these election dates. Many aspiring candidates fear that they might be denied of a government job in case the code of conduct comes into force before the end of this month.
Recently, Goa government had started recruitment drive in various departments. Thousands of youth had applied for these jobs. But in many departments, recruitment process is still on. Election Commission of India was supposed to announce elections in 5 states, including that in Goa, on Friday. Many people had kept close watch on this announcement. Code of conduct begins once elections are announced. But now announcement of elections is postponed and it has brought a breather for many candidates. If code of conduct comes in force by the end of this month, then sources say it could badly impact recruitment process. Sources also say that politicians have started pressurizing senior government officers to complete recruitment and other work orders before the code of conduct. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Manisha Madkaikar, a resident of Baya, Sudla and Bicholi Taluka, committed suicide by setting herself ablaze along with her 2 children, Ashwek and Ashwita Madkaikar, at her residence. The incident occurred on Friday morning. All 3 of them are charged to death. The reason behind such a drastic end of a mother and 2 children is not yet known.
Residents of Baye Surla are mourning and are in a state of shock. Manisha Madkaikar, along with her 2 children, set ablaze to death. Manisha committed suicide along with her 3-year-old son Ashwek and 6-year-old daughter Ashweta. This incident occurred at around 9:30 am on Friday. Everybody at Baye Surla has a question. Why did Manisha commit suicide along with her 2 children? Sarpanch Subhash has said that nobody heard of any quarrel and complications in her house.
तिजो भाऊय सांगता की आमकां केन्नाच कंप्लेंट ना एक्झॅक्ट कित्याक लागून जालें जाल्यार हें कांयच कळना ते ल्हान भुरग्यांक लागून सामकें वायट दिसलें की एक 3.5 वर्साचें एक 6 वर्साचें ही फर्स्ट टायम अशी घटना घडल्या की सामकें वायट दिसलें.
Police have conducted Panchanama and all the bodies are sent for post-mortem. A reporter from Bicholi, Uday Parab.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.